How to make a YouTube banner on Canva.com. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own YouTube banner on Canva.com and how you can create the same banner for different aspect ratios, meaning you can create the same banner for different screens such as mobile and tablets as well. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. The first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to Canva.com. Now once we're over here, this is how the website will look like. And over here, as you can see, we have a lot of different options. We have presentations, we have video, we have Instagram posts, we have Facebook posts, we have posters, logo, and many more. And if we scroll down below, we can see that there are templates for absolutely everything. So we have templates for social media, for flyers, for pamphlets, and even CVs as well. So that means the Canva.com is very diverse and you can create almost anything on it. So let's just go ahead and create an account, and then we can move on to the next step. So to create an account, just simply click on the sign up button at the top right corner, click on it, and you can just simply sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook, or just simply sign up with email. And if you click on sign up with email, you just simply have to enter in your email address and enter in a password and stuff like that, just the usual questions, and then you will be able to sign up. But I would definitely recommend signing up with Google, as it is a lot easier and saves a lot of time as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up with Google, and once you've signed up, they are going to ask you what you're using Canva for. You can just answer whatever you want, but for me, I'm using it for my personal use, so I'm going to choose this one. And then they're going to ask you if you want to upgrade to Canva Pro, but I'm going to stick to the basic version and then just simply skip. And then down below, they're going to immediately ask you to start your first design. So since we're here for YouTube banner, just simply search for YouTube banner or channel art. So I'm going to go ahead, search for channel, and here we go. And as you can see over here, they give us the exact same aspect ratios as a channel art would. So just simply click on this option right here, wait for a couple of seconds to load everything up, and this is how it will basically look like. So this is our canvas over here, and we can create almost anything over here. So since we're making a YouTube channel art, that will depend upon your niche and what type of content you produce on that channel. So if it's gaming oriented, as you can see over here, we already have a few different templates that we can use. Simply just drag and drop them over here, and that is it. You can just edit the template as you like, but I'm gonna teach you how you can create one from scratch. So just simply click over here. So let's just delete this one over here, select everything, delete, and that is it. So since we're here creating a channel art from the scratch, the first thing that we need is a background. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on background, and over here you can just select these backgrounds over here, or you can just simply choose a color. But I think I'm gonna need something more than just a color. Let's just choose this one, this color right here. Yeah, I think that looks very nice. And then you have these different options over here. So you have background, you have text. So we've already added a background. What we need to do now is upload some images, and we can upload those images but from over here, and we can add in text by clicking over here. And as you can see, we already have a few different fonts ready for us. And then we can add some elements such as shapes, flowers, or images and stuff like that. And that is basically it. So let's just go ahead and add an image. Now I produce videos that are related to software and technology, and I'm basically teaching the common folks about different softwares and how they can use it to make money, or just simply get a better advantage at life, or something like that. Whatever the reason they want to know about that software, I just teach them and I give the basic overview. I'm basically a tutorial guide or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and create one from that niche. Let me just go ahead on YouTube and search for channels like that. Let's just search for tech guide, or we can just search for how to use Canva. And over here, as we can see, we have a lot of different channels. Let's just select this one over here. So as we can see, it is very basic and very nice. I like this channel art. So let's just go ahead and try to create a similar one like this one over here. So we're gonna keep this background. So let's just go ahead and add a text. Let's just choose a font or a type of text that we want to add. Give me a few seconds, guys. I'm gonna go and choose one. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip to the part where I choose the text so that I don't waste your time. So guys, I didn't find a font that I was looking for, so I just typed in the text welcome. So what I want you guys to do is just simply align the text at the center over here. So this is the center, and once we choose this text, we can now change the font. So let me just search for a font that I usually use. So it's not over here, so let's just go for a common one, Montserrat. Yeah, I think that one looks nice. Let's just make it a little bit semi-bold. Yeah, I think that looks nice. So let's just go ahead and move this over here, and then just simply add in another subheading. We're going to say like down below. So basically our task is to make, when they come over to our channel and check us out, they feel welcome, they feel like we provide good quality content. So what I want you guys to do is, after you've done with your first heading, it can be whatever you want. It can be your basic introduction or stuff like that. So I just said welcome because this is a test, this is a tutorial. I didn't overwhelm anyone. That's why I just simply wrote welcome. And then down below, what I want you guys to do is, when you add a subheading, I want you guys to add in something catchy. Let's just say the amount of videos that you produce. So for me on this channel, we produce all videos almost every single day. So that is very, very appealing to people, because when they start to like a channel and they want to have videos daily, and I think that is due towards the creator to provide that to his or her audience. So I'm gonna go ahead and write daily videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this, but I want to make this text be different. I want it to be different from the other text so that it doesn't get lumped into with them. So what we can do is we can add a simple background or a simple shape. So click on elements and select a shape. So let's just choose this one over here and small it down, and over here and over here. Now as you can see, it looks centered, but if you're not sure, what you can do is you can just select these two layers and then just simply click on position at the top right, and over here just simply click on center and middle, and it will be done. And that is basically it. Now if you want to move them, you can move them like this, but if you're worried that you're going to mess it up, you can just simply click on group, and that will make them grouped, and then you can move it around anywhere you like and they won't get separated or messed up. So the background doesn't look really nice, so I'm gonna go ahead and ungroup it for now. I'm going to select that background and I'm going to change the color to something that blends in with our background as well. So I think that one looks nice. It blends in with that one, it doesn't overwhelm anything. So let's just go ahead and group them together again and place it down below. And what you can do next to make it look more appealing is you can add an image of yourself or of your channel art, but since I didn't have one prepared, so you can go ahead and upload your media, or you can record yourself, whatever you want. So I'm going to go ahead and click on upload media, click choose the device, and I'm going to choose this cat over here. But as you can see, it has a background, and so to remove the background, what you can do is go over to Google and search for remove background. So over here, this website will basically remove the background for absolutely free, and you don't have to pay for anything, and the quality is top notch as well. It doesn't drop down the quality of the original photo. So wait a few seconds for the website to load up. I don't know why my internet is so slow today. So as you can see over here, this woman had a background and this website removed it. So I'm going to go ahead and upload the image over here. I'm going to choose this cat image, and it is going to upload the image. Wait for a couple of seconds to remove the background, and once it's done, this is how it will basically look like. And you can then just simply go ahead and download it in HD, or you can just go ahead and edit a few things. So I'm going to go ahead and download on HD. So I'm going to go ahead and simply click on download and save, come back to the website, and then just simply upload that image. This is it. And over here, as you can see, let's center it a bit. There we go. Now I know I said that this was a tech channel, but now it's transitioned into some kind of a cat video channel, but whatever, people love cats as well, like they're pretty popular too. So now what I want you guys to do is welcome. You've added a nice welcome text, you've added in a daily video. So I'm going to go ahead and change the fonts about this one as well. I'm going to go ahead and choose the Montserrat Classics, and there we go. So you've added a welcome text, you've added a daily videos tags, you've added a cute little cat, which in my opinion is perfect, no pun intended. And then what I want you guys to do is you can add other elements, such as the bell icon is usually falls over here, so you can just add in a small arrow. Let's go ahead and do that. So let's just see which type of arrow that we want. No, that's not the arrow that we want. So let's just use this one over here, and then we can, you know, change it up a bit. We can add over here, usually it's over here somewhere, and then you can just simply add in a bubble, another shape. Where is the shapes? So let's just choose the shape over here, and over here let's just add in a different color. We can add in this one, or we can edit this one out, make it a bit more lighter or darker. I'm gonna go ahead and make it a little bit darker. And what I want you guys to do is just simply add in another text. And to add in another text, you just simply have to click on the T button, and this is going to drop in a paragraph text. Now you can just simply enter in the text that you want to add. But before I do that, let me just go ahead and check out this channel. So as you can see, the subscribe button falls over here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Now I want this to be in a single line. So let me just go ahead and change the font semi bold. Set at, or we can just simply change the text to please subscribe. That looks pretty nice. Let me just change my text to classic again, bring it down a little bit and place it in the box. I think that's well and centered, and we can move it over here, and let's just move this box over here, small it down. And that is basically it. Let's just remove this line. I don't know where that came from. I think I accidentally added way too many arrows. And that is basically it. I think you're basically done. Let me just center it. I think it's centered. Yeah. So there we go, guys. That is how you basically create a channel art or a banner for your YouTube channel. So as you can see, it's pretty simple stuff. You've got all the effects, you've got all the tools you need to create a perfect channel, and you can also animate it as well. So click on animate, and it will add in different text elements over here. As you can see, that looks pretty nice. So we can add that as well. So whenever someone comes onto their channel, this simple small little animation is going to play. You can even change the animation style, and you can change the timing of the animation as well. You can make it slower, longer, or however you want it to be, as you can see over here. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Just simply come over to this website, and if you're looking for a great website to create an amazing channel art for your YouTube channel and attract a lot of followers, then this is the perfect website for you. All the tools are very easy to use, they're fluent, and they are user-friendly and responsive as well. Everything is laid out perfectly so that no one gets confused. You got your templates over here if you already want a pre-made one and you want to make like a few adjustments here and there to make it your own, and that is basically it. And once you've done that, you just simply click on the download button, and you can just select the type of file you wanted. So this is a PNG file, and then just simply click on the download button, and that's basically it. You have your very own channel art for your channel. So if you have any questions for this video or this website, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. And having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, turn on post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. So take care and goodbye.